In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default Windows sounds on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Open that up, and then select the view bar up at the top right, and select large icons, and then proceed to go down and select the sound button here. And now that we are in here, you want to go and select the Sounds tab. And then there should be an item that says, if we're looking to change the default Windows sounds, you can select the sound scheme and click the drop down, and you can select no sounds or Windows default. And then you can go on a more granular level and change it for different actions and notifications you may receive on your system by double clicking on them down here, and you can see the test button to go play the sample sound that would play if that notification were to be turned on. And you can change it by clicking the drop down next to it here and selecting different options and selecting the test button to see what it would sound like. And then you would just select apply and OK to save it. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.